Hi friends, welcome on Yourpedia, and my this video is related to discussion on important GD topic. हमने बहुत बार डिस्कस किया है कि GD के तीन कंपोनेंट हैं. GD has three components. One is introduction part, it has a format, then there is a body part, and then the conclusion. Introduction has a format, couple of lines you can rote memorize, and with fluency you can speak. वो लाइंस आपकी फिक्स होती हैं, अगर आप याद कर लो तो फ्लुएंसी के साथ बोल सकते हो, हिंदी इंग्लिश जिसमें भी आपको बोलना है. बॉडी पार्ट इज रिलेटेड टू आपने जो इंट्रोडक्शन में बोला, वट एवर डायरेक्शन यू गिव इन द इंट्रोडक्शन, बॉडी पार्ट इज डिटेल ऑफ दैट. एंड कंक्लूजन इज नथिंग बट वट एवर डिस्कशन हैव ऑलरेडी बीन डन, कंक्लूजन इज अ समरी ऑफ दैट. नाउ दिस इज द टॉपिक फ्रेंड्स विच आई वॉन्ट टू डिस्कस विद यू. एंड this GD, as I was telling, the basic structure of the GD is introduction, body part and conclusion. Introduction mein you have to introduce, you have to give, you have to greet everyone. Good morning friends, my name is Vijendra and I introduce the topic to you. The topic given for today is this. Fir whatever you general lines you want to tell about the topic, that can be done. I mean the topic you can discuss, and then you have to provide some dimension or classification to the topic. The introduction part of GD actually should be how you want group discussion to be done, how you want other mentors, other members to discuss the topic. So classification is to be given, like electric vehicle in India, suppose that is a topic. Then you can always say what are the opportunities, why electric vehicle should be used, what are the challenges in using electric vehicle, opportunities and challenges, and how to overcome those challenges. So something like that can be discussed, some dimension can be given, and then you can say, okay, my opinion is that electric vehicle sooner or later is going to come because fossil fuel is not sustainable technology, so we need to have a sustainable technology, but as of now there are some challenges. So friends, let's discuss this topic in the category of what are the opportunities, why we should use electric vehicle, what are the challenges as of now, and how we can overcome those challenges so that electric vehicle could be used. So let's discuss this entire topic in the categories. So आपने classification कर दिया. So introduction is like greeting everyone, telling that this topic is very relevant topic and these are the dimensions in which we should discuss this topic, and my opinion about this topic is this, and let's discuss this topic now further in this direction. Then comes the body part. Body part is like when you start discussing, actually when you start discussion on the topic, and in the body part you can give example, you can ask question to the other members, you can basically discuss on those verticals which we discussed. So in the body part, friends, let's discuss first about the opportunities electric vehicle is going to give to the Indian market and people in India. So the opportunities are like, okay, fossil fuel based technology is not long sustainable, so eventually we have to come to electric vehicle. So the car manufacturing companies like Tesla and all, they are looking for a big opportunity in India. India is a huge market, so electric vehicle is going to be really good for the market. So you can start discussion on that. So maintain eye contacts with other members of the discussion group, listen to them, keep nodding, and give examples, and ask a question to others. That has to be the body part, and you should enter 4 or 5 times in the main part, body part. That is how it has to be. If you agree with someone, you say you agree. If you don't agree with someone, you say you don't agree. That kind of discussion can go in the body part. And third part, friends, is the conclusion part, where you will just discuss about the topic, crux of the topic, what points others have given. You are giving the summary of that. In the conclusion, you are only going to tell what were the main points discussed, and that is how the conclusion is going to be. On behalf of everyone, you are going to conclude the discussion. So whether you made a consensus or you did not make the consensus. So if you ask me honestly, friends, conclusion is the easiest part of the discussion. That is the easiest one. Only thing is you need to jot down the points. You need to write down the important points in your, they will give you pen and paper in the group discussion. So keep noting down the important points which other members have said. If you want to conclude, then you should have noted down the points, and accordingly then you speak, accordingly you participate in that. This is something which is very, very important, and then you conclude. So there is no time limit. I mean, in how much time you should conclude and all, that is not very much fixed. But yes, your style should be really good for the conclusion. Now let me give you the topic for which this video I am making, and that is topic is India ready for the electric vehicle? Now what is the typical introduction? You will say, okay, good morning, my name is Vijender or Shubhya, our mentor. So she will start it, and then you will say, okay, the topic for the discussion is India ready for electric vehicle? It's a very relevant topic, not only for India but for entire world. You all know that planet Earth is facing the challenges from global warming. So you will say, okay, this is not a sustainable technology. Fossil fuel is not a sustainable. Sooner or later electric vehicle is going to come, and we are facing this trouble, and electric vehicle is going to be alternative. So let's discuss this topic under the broad categories of what do we understand by electric vehicle and their needs, and there are various challenges also. So in the introduction only you are saying what are the classifications. So we have opportunities, we have challenges, and we should discuss that how challenges are to be overcome. So there are numerous challenges, there are numerous opportunities. So these are typical lines which you can use, friends, in the introduction. You can tell that there are opportunities, there are challenges. So let's discuss now this entire topic of electric vehicle. So introduction should be spoken in a fast pace with fluency, because everybody wants to introduce. So early you should be the first and fastest, first one to start it and fastest to complete it, otherwise somebody will cut you. So good morning, friends, my name is Vijender and I take the opportunity to initiate the discussion. The topic today given is very relevant, and the topic is electric vehicle in India. So friends, in my opinion, this is a very relevant topic from today's perspective. Why? Because fossil fuel based technology is not sustainable, and sooner or later, because of the problem of the climate change and global warming, electric vehicle is to come. But as of now, there are many challenges related to electric vehicles. So we should discuss this topic in couple of categories. One, what are the opportunities electric vehicle, not only for people but for manufacturer also, how government should take it forward, and what are the challenges as of now which we are facing, like charging facilities or cost of the electric vehicle, and the technology behind technology used in electric vehicle. What are the challenges and how to overcome these challenges? Now I open the house for discussion. So I welcome you all to participate. So that is a introduction part. When you go to body part, friends, then body part में then first you will tell why do we need electric vehicle. इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल की रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है? इंडिया में देयर आर पॉल्यूटेड सिटीज़, मोस्ट पॉल्यूटेड सिटीज़ आर देयर इन इंडिया. Fossil fuel is not sustainable, that is another thing. So you should have couple of points related to each topic. आपको बहुत ज़्यादा इन डेप्थ नॉलेज नहीं चाहिए होता है, लेकिन किसी भी टॉपिक के बारे में आपको कुछ पॉइंट्स पता होने चाहिए. जैसे फॉसिल फ्यूल के बारे में आपको कुछ टॉपिक्स पता होने चाहिए, पॉइंट्स पता होने चाहिए. सो इफ़ यू नो दोज पॉइंट्स यू कैन पार्टिसिपेट. Similarly, like big companies, Mahindra and Mahindra, Maruti Suzuki, now Tesla, they are targeting for Indian market. It's a huge market. Climate change एक problem है, clean public transport is required. Initiative is to be done by the government. Fame India scheme जो इंडिया की है, तो some current related things also you should be aware. एंड करंट से रिलेटेड कोई चीज़ अगर तुम डालोगे उसका वेटेज मिलता है. जैसे सपोज यू से फेम इंडिया स्कीम बाय गवर्नमेंट इज अ फ्लैगशिप प्रोग्राम ऑफ गवर्नमेंट टू प्रोवाइड सम काइंड ऑफ फाइनेंशियल इंसेंटिव टू दोज हु आर परचेजिंग इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल. बिकॉज नई टेक्नोलॉजी है तो कॉस्टली होता है, और अगर गवर्नमेंट को सपोर्ट करती है, फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट करती है, तो आप उसको बना सकते हो. एंड ऑल्सो जीएसटी रिडक्शन भी होगा इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल से. 12% से 5% गवर्नमेंट रिड्यूस कर रही है, जीएसटी का जो रिडक्शन कर रही है. सो टैक्स उसमें एग्जम्पशन मिलेगा. सो ये जो कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन है, दिस सम इन्फॉर्मेशन विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल इन द डिस्कशन, बिकॉज दिस अ करंट रिलेटेड इन्फॉर्मेशन. तो डाटा एंड इन्फॉर्मेशन आपके डिस्कशन में आपको हेल्प करता है. ऑल्सो हम मेजोरिटी ऑफ द 80% हम ऑयल इंपोर्ट करते हैं, दैट इज़ अ ह्यूज ऑन अस. सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल, हमारा इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल का जो मेंटेनेंस है वो कम है. एंड ग्लासगो में कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑफ पार्टी जो हुआ था 26, उसमें प्राइम मिनिस्टर सेड दैट by 2070 we will go net carbon zero country. That means we will not be using fossil fuel. So if that is to be met, then obviously we need to go for electric vehicle. These are some points in favor of why we should go for electric vehicles. Now challenges are, yes, charging is a main challenge. Charging stations अभी difficult है, चार्जिंग स्टेशन प्रॉपर तरीके से डिस्ट्रीब्यूट नहीं हुए हैं. रीफ्यूलिंग करना बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट है, उसके लिए लॉन्गर चार्जिंग टाइम चाहिए होता है उसके लिए. पावर थेफ्ट इज़ अ मेन कंसर्न. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द चैलेंजेस रिलेटेड टू चार्जिंग फैसिलिटीज एज ऑफ नाउ विच इंडिया हैज़. प्लस ऑल्सो India government cannot give lot of subsidy, because India is a very big market and government cannot give lot of subsidy on purchase of the electric vehicle. They are as of now costly. Plus द टेक्नोलॉजी विच इज बीइंग यूज्ड इन इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल इज नॉट टाइम टेस्टेड एज ऑफ नाउ। तो टेक्नोलॉजी की भी टेस्टिंग होनी है, बहुत अच्छे तरीके से टेस्टिंग होगा। तो टेक्नोलॉजी के पार्ट पे चैलेंज है, कॉस्ट के पार्ट पे चैलेंज है, लॉजिस्टिक्स के पार्ट पे चैलेंज है। ये 3-4 चैलेंज हैं अभी इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल के ऊपर, और गवर्नमेंट भी बहुत ज़्यादा सब्सिडी नहीं दे पाएगी, ये चैलेंजेस हैं। तो हमने अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ और चैलेंजेस देखा, और साथ में चैलेंजेस को कैसे ओवरकम कर सकते हैं इसके ऊपर भी डिस्कशन कर सकते हैं। एंड बेसिकली आप बहुत लंबा नहीं चल सकते, शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस ही आप ट्रैवल कर सकते हो। एंड बहुत ज़्यादा आप लोड पड़ेगा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ग्रिड के ऊपर अगर हमें चार्जिंग वगैरह करना है, और ग्रिड कैपेसिटी बेसिकली बहुत ज़्यादा फिक्स नहीं होती है। सो दैट इज़ द अनदर इशू रिलेटेड टू दिस। नाउ कंक्लूजन इज ऑल अबाउट फ्रेंड्स, जो आपने डिस्कशन किया है वही कंक्लूजन होता है। यू विल कंक्लूड ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द एंटायर ग्रुप। तो कंक्लूजन इज नथिंग बट वट एवर डिस्कशन यू हैव डन, तो आप उसको नोट करते हो और उसी के ऊपर आगे डिस्कशन तुम्हारा कंक्लूजन में होता है। सो वट एवर अदर मेंबर्स हैव डिस्कस्ड, वही पॉइंट्स आपके कंक्लूजन में आएंगे, आप उसको बोल दोगे। सो कंक्लूजन के लिए कुछ लाइन्स होती हैं। लेट मी कंक्लूड द डिस्कशन। वी हैड अ ग्रेट डिस्कशन। सम मेंबर्स were of the opinion that electric vehicle is required in the India and this is the need of the hour, and some discussed about the challenges, some discussed about the opportunities. So we all are of the opinion that yes, electric vehicle should come, and government is to provide subsidy to people who want to purchase it. New companies like Tesla and all, they are coming to India, so they will create the infrastructure, jobs will also open, and that will give employment to people. At the same time, infrastructure will be built. So as every new technology, when it comes in the beginning there are some issues, but later on that technology gets accepted. Similarly, this technology will also get accepted in India also. That is how you will conclude it, right? So keep discussing on this part, and every topic is to be discussed under these 3 heads: introduction, body and conclusion.